One of the coolest things you can have is a sweet lawn with awesome lawn stripes, just like the professional league baseball players. Today I'm going to show you how to do lawn stripes, the basics, and how it can stand out from the neighbors even with a mediocre lawn. Alright, so you can tell that basically here's what's going on. Is my rotary mower is spinning horizontally above the ground, and what it's doing is it's pushing blades of grass in a certain direction as I pass over it. Then I come a different direction, and what it's doing is one side is getting light and the other side is not due to how it's bent. So that gives it that striping pattern. Now, this is a mediocre striping lawnmower, okay? It's not really set up to stripe. It does stripe a little bit. I set the rotary mower to like 1.5 inches as well, so there's less grass to push over. Now, what I want to show you after this, I'm going to do a double cut from the opposite direction going this way, so we should create a diamond effect. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. After that, I'm going to get the roller out and I'm going to show you how to design stripes to make it look really cool. So let's move this camera and come on over here. That's pretty mediocre, so I'm gonna get my real mower out and turn the drum on, and I'll show you how to really lay down some stripes. Agree to this video. This video is not to show you how to make stripes per se, how to build a roller with your rotary mower. I actually will include a video that you can refer to if you want to build a roller. I'm going to use my greens mower, which has like a 150-pound roller on it, which will roll that grass nice and flat. And here's what we're going to do. There are an infinite amount of combinations you can do, and striping is easy as it comes. You go back and forth in different directions. If your mower can make stripes, you'll see them, all right? Now, the next step up from just single stripes is single-double. So you'll do a double stripe and a single. Very easy to do and figure out, but what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do single from multiple directions, and we're gonna do diamonds. So we're gonna go diagonal and then diagonal from a different angle altogether. So this will probably take me about 30 minutes. I'll time-lapse the video and I'll kind of walk you through what I did here. Safety first. All right, finished with one diagonal direction. The angle I set up the camera isn't that great, so let me show you the other corner here. Check that out. That is pretty freaking sweet, right? So let's make it sweeter. All right, so I started from the corner we're at right now, the corner by the play set. Now I'm gonna go to the opposite corner over there, and then end up over there. It's double diagonal, so we're gonna come this way with the mower, finish her off, and I'll show you the sexiest view ever.
tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell you, mama. I tell you, papa too.
Right there, that's not super tight on that line, but it's a little bumpy there. But, all right. That is sweet. All right, this is just proof that even a mediocre backyard can be striped to the balls. Balls to the wall. Basketball, all right. This is just proof that anybody can do this. You just need a roller on your lawnmower and you can make sweet stripes. I hope you love my stripes. I'll see you on the next one. Maybe subscribe later.